Hi, I'm Hannah Hammett, and today I'm here at Whitmer CTC Culinary Arts, and today I'm gonna be exploring the career of being a chef. Let's go see if I am good for that career. Come on. Hi.
Hi.
I have a couple questions for you. I'm really interested in learning about culinary. What are some of the things that I can learn in order to pursue that career?
So when you go to a culinary class, specifically with our class, we train you a lot on different types of food, different seasonal aspects of it, the nutritional value. We also talk about cooking techniques and food safety. Those are big, huge things that we talk about. The whipped cream wars, which is where we use a whisk with heavy cream and we aerate it and we make it turn into whipped cream, basically.
That sounds yummy.
It is very yummy.
What are some other opportunities for students after they finish the culinary arts and they go outside of school?
There are a lot of different types of positions depending upon what you're actually interested in. One of the big things here, a lot of kids who leave me want to either go into culinary school when they're done, or they have the idea and the dream to be able to open up their own kitchens and their own restaurants, which is amazing. Sometimes we see kids go out into the industry and they're working in bigger kitchens underneath chefs who are quite amazing in the field. So there's a lot of different spaces and areas that you can go. And then his back hand, which he's holding the produce with, banana with, we call that a bear claw. And that means that we are tucking our fingers so that we don't cut any digits, basically.
What kind of qualities would I have to possess to be a good chef?
So in order to be a good chef, you need to make sure that you are team-oriented and able to work with other people. In the kitchen, we have so many people in here that you need to be able to communicate properly with each other and work well together. Being ambitious, being quick on your feet, as well as quick with making decisions, because sometimes there's a lot of choices that need to be made very, very quickly in the kitchen. So being able to do that is definitely a plus. Other than that, just being diligent with your work and being fearless in the kitchen is a big deal.
Wash the berries, Abby, wash the berries. Yeah, I have to pick through them. Why do you have to pick through them?
To make sure that they all look to the standard industry, to the industry standard.
Yummy.
I love raspberries. Me too.
Today I learned so many things, just like being a chef isn't just all about cooking, it's also about baking, and there's so many career options. And I really hope this helps people out there who might be interested in this. Bye!